So we're gonna play a little game of Would You Rather,
Oh, I like this game
I
already.
like I like Would You Rather.
I
and
do. I like
then
Would You Rather.
it's a Valentine's Day Would You Rather question. Then I'm gonna tie it to the market and see what you guys' thoughts are. So I went on just to Google and just did a random search because I like to play these games with my kids as well too. So there was a bunch of them, like elementary schools, tile or whatever. But we're gonna play a couple of Would You Rather questions for Valentine's Day, but then we're gonna take it to the market. You guys ready?
Okay. Yeah.
Mhm.
All right. So, would you rather for Valentine's Day, would you rather give your crush a candy heart or give that same person a Hershey's kiss?
I've been married for 20 years. I'll give the Hershey's Kiss. Should enjoy the chocolate more than the other one.
Well, and I would give the candy heart because I can there's a little message on the candy heart, right? And so I think
Mhm.
there's some little sentimental little, you know, love you, whatever it
He
is,
would
right?
arrange it. He would take the
So
time
so I
to
would
arrange
take
the
the
candy
candy heart if
hearts
I
to
got to
make
pick
a
the message
message. He would.
to
He
get the
would.
little
Uh, uh,
sentimental tug.
And I would go get my wife a bag of Hershey's Kiss and say, "I love you, babe."
okay. All right. Next one. Have a first date that's dinner and a movie, or go watch a sporting event together.
Uh, no, it's dinner and a movie.
It's dinner and a movie.
Yeah,
This
it's
one's not
dinner and
hard.
a movie. Mhm.
Okay. All right.
See,
One
Hey,
Emily, you're
first
dealing
date. Hey,
with
let's
guys
let's go to
who
a
have made
Miami
all of the
Dolphin game.
mistakes before.
Yeah.
We've made the
Yeah.
mistakes before.
We made that mistake.
We've learned from hard
Uh-huh.
experience
Uh-huh.
here. So, like, it's dinner and a
Uh-huh. Hey, let's go to
dinner.
the Cougar game this Saturday. What do you think?
no,
Oh, sure.
on a
That's a
first date.
fantastic idea.
Yeah,
Let's do
no.
that. We do it. No.
It better be front row seats to see LeBron. Like,
Uh-huh. Yeah.
As he's
And he's
getting the scoring
yes,
record.
exactly.
Yes.
It better have
Yeah.
been last
Yeah.
Sunday or Tuesday, whatever day that game was played.
Yeah.
Better have been last week. All right.
All right. All right.
So here's the one
I
that we're
don't know
gonna
if we're
like.
winning this game, but I'm saying we're winning it. Like, I think we're winning.
Those were
we're
just
not losing.
those were
Yeah.
warm-up questions. This is
Okay.
gonna be a
Okay.
tough one. All right. Give up chocolate for 6 months or French fries for 6 months.
Oh,
Chocolate.
chocolate.
I'm
Give up
not giving up
chocolate.
French fries.
I'm not giving up French fries.
Okay.
Oh, too many things you can dip French fries in.
No, no.
No, you can get creative with French fries.
Okay, all right. So here's what it's tied to how it's tied to the market. You gotta the next two stocks for the next 6 months. So it's a would you rather.
Okay.
Would you rather trade? So this is tied to the French fries and the chocolate, right? So would you rather trade Hershey for the next 6 months or invest in Hershey for the next 6 months or McDonald's?
Oh, Chucky, do you want to go or do you want me to go?
Give me McDonald's chart because they're both staples, right?
They're both staples.
They're both overvalued.
Yes, they are.
Um, both staples.
Let's and Chucky, you can't do your cheating ways of
I know,
I'm
I
gonna
know, I
say
know. That's
this
why I
thing
hate
could
this game.
put and
That's
this
I hate
thing could.
this game.
No, you can hit it all you want. You still got an answer.
Uh, give me the Hershey. Give me a Hershey chart again.
The Hershey's a better chart on the breakout.
Yeah, like I guess I have to. I mean, it's 6 months. Hit that. But it's ran so
Mm.
much, dude. I'm not betraying McDonald's. Give me McDonald's. I think it has more chance of being boring.
um, I okay. I can take that.
It's like I can see McDonald's doing nothing because
Okay,
I'm
so
trapped in this
on the
game.
weekly chart, you are buying Hershey's and you got to hold for 6 months at the top. You're paying
See
premium.
that, and that was the tiebreaker
Okay.
for me. I'm like, what if resistance holds, and then we'll be back at 225, right? Had you broken out, I would say Hershey.
Okay. Now, McDonald's, and that's concerning. McDonald's, not too unlike Hershey's. I mean, you're still paying premium for an investment here on McDonald's. You're just not paying the top premium. The top premium is 275. You'd have to pay 267. So I don't know if like there's a massive argument on that for one or the other. when you're looking at valuation, Mark's absolutely right. Both are overvalued right now, especially when you're dealing with consumer staple type companies. But again, you're talking about McDonald's near the top and you're talking about Hershey's near the top. Unlike some of the tech space that is just catered in 2022, right? So you're going to pay premium either way. You're not getting a discount either way here on anything technically or fundamentally here. So I'm going to go with the recent momentum. And the recent momentum is in Hershey's. And the recent momentum is based on a catalyst, and that catalyst is called the earnings. And so when all things are relatively equal, let's go with two companies that both recently reported earnings. McDonald's, I covered it here in the halftime report, was not a great earnings report. They came in as a miss. It was mixed data. You saw a gap down in price, and it hasn't done anything since that earnings date. There's nothing really based on their recent earnings report to say, hey, let's get it up and go here to some extent. So yeah, you got McDonald's, you got the brand safety, you got the stabilization. You're not too worried about, something catering over the next 6 months in McDonald's. But yeah, and Hershey's maybe have a little bit more of that ability to come down aggressively versus McDonald's. But when you're looking at Hershey's recent earnings report, unlike McDonald's, they gapped up and they ran away from the price. And it was based on a pretty decent earnings report, slight beat on EPS numbers, slight beat on revenue numbers. They also increased forward-looking guidance as well. And so a legit catalyst coming out of Hershey's, in my opinion. And then when you look at this on the weekly chart here, yeah, you're paying premium. McDonald's is right here underneath that. So again, I don't think there's too much substantially different there. You're paying a little bit more premium for the momentum you're getting involved in. And so Hershey's and again, momentum in Hershey's doesn't really ring true a lot, but you do have it in comparison to McDonald's. You have a catalyst in comparison to McDonald's. You're paying premium on either one of the equation, and they're most likely going to move in the same direction with one another. But given Hershey's recent catalyst on earnings, you probably have a slight momentum edge on Hershey's versus McDonald's, and I do think you have a slight technical edge on Hershey's versus McDonald's. So I'll go with Hershey's on the would you rather.